So I may have promised you a video of the Fairmont shoving some Behrman's B12 down his throat. And you know, I do intend on it. It's sitting there. It's waiting. It'll get its turn. But for now, just to throw something out there. And I've seen this done online. I'm like, let's see it. See if it actually works. And you got your old torch. Now, I'm not saying to do this because obviously bad things can happen. But if I can actually capture doing it, make it just a little bit more special than the average bear, you can get away with it. That, obviously, and let's face it, if you really care about it and you don't want to damage it and you're not comfortable, don't do it, because bad things can and will happen. It's just a matter of controlling it. So bad, I should stop, but I can't. Alright, there. I've done one entire one. See? And before you try it, it doesn't work on headlights. I've tried. It just melts them. And obviously, I got plenty to make content of. It's just a matter of getting a couple more subscribers on board and a little more drive to make the stuff happen. Because I mean, the old Willie's pickup back there is still waiting on its day. I got the leaf springs. I gotta find them. I ordered the bushings. I gotta find them. That Willie's Jeep right there, the CJ. I'm gonna be pulling the body off that, pulling the axles out. I have a nice, freshly repainted frame. That's all gonna go on. And I'm working on another one that I'm currently in the process of rebuilding the transfer case and transmission and all that. And I'll be doing that one for that light green one out there. Oh, and I'm pulling this apart, making checking bearings, cleaning it up, painting it. Oh yeah, like I said, plenty of content. Just need people to like and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing it anyway, but the added work of a video, you know, it's just that much more. But no, till next time.